Ready to go.
DPS left side and tank position. Pretty solid set. Don't kill the engineer yet left.
Oh, I can't see that. Jesus.
Fellas on right is in the field.
Engineer about to go down.
So it's the engineer on left.
Sorry about that, Kazar. You're good. I don't think you got me.
Kill the other engineer left.
Yeah, kill these engineers.
Left side's done, move over.
Phase 2.
Alright, fellows.
I got him.
Kill green.
Tracking.
Alright, I've got the first scout fixated on me. You're gonna have to double mind control, I think.
Careful on the melee. Bomb just landed.
I'm trying to grab another. I got
Get on
the
the
other
other
guy.
operator.
I'm gonna have low elementalist damage though. I got them both.
Just drop, yeah.
Alright, melee, get over.
I got them both already driving.
Okay, cool.
Kill square. Get on the
Go.
primal.
Alright. Dropping healing tide.
Dispel.
Much better. Zar, get Moon over there.
Yep.
Can you taunt the security guard?
Yeah, I got him.
Do not interrupt Moon.
Kill
Wait,
fire
interrupt
color.
them once more. No more interrupts on Moon.
Rack, you good?
Yeah,
Is he close enough? He's
Kill-
not. Why is he still moving? Stop interrupting
I
him.
interrupted him.
Hit him, hit it, hit it, hit it.
Interrupt him. There we go. And now kill Min. Melee out. Kill the primal. Single target primal. Don't cleave right now. Never mind, cleave. Cleave. There was nothing here to cleave, so.
Watch your surrounding. Purge. Good damage.
Alright, target square.
Okay, primal
Kill
vulnerable now.
primal now. After this, kill Feldspar immediately.
Purge.
Kill Feldspar. Kite him over, please.
Interrupt Moon.
Is he close enough?
Alright, kill Moon.
I don't think so.
Hit him again.
Yeah,
Interrupt
he
him again.
is, he is.
I'm already standing on
Alright,
it,
kill
so.
Moon.
Drinking.
Alright, kill Primal now. Save CDs.
Purge.
Alright, kill
Squares on there. Kill it.
Correct. Need help.
Please.
Back on elementalist.
Big
think I got
DPS
the ranged one.
I don't think any of them are actually enraged.
But
Just the
save
one
your
with
cooldown.
Drew's
Save your
shield.
cooldown.
Purge.
Alright, clean up fire colors.
Moon's on it. Kill it.
Kill Moon.
Alright, I'm gonna channel here.
I'll do mine right after yours.
Shoot him Q back up. I can't
Heroism. Go.
Hero now.
Alright, let's top people off before you channel. again.
Purge.
Doing it now. 5 seconds.
do it now.
DPS.
I'm gonna healing tide right now.
Good job. Clean up.
Smooth the transition. Okay, no, you got it.
Full
Kill
mana.
off security guards.
Channeling.
There's a whole pile of them.
5
over here.
seconds left on channel.
We got it covered.
Spread out.
Tonic.
Alright, get on boss.
He's 10 less heat than he was before.
Check guys, melt's coming for you.
Yeah, we need to
sure you
move
stack your
constantly. So if you tanks can just like
Melt on HF.
Spread out range.
Should we be cleaving these
Con it.
at all?
Just single target.
Okay.
it's on Dravik.
If they can be near the boss though, as a benefit for the fire mages.
Spread out with the elementals, remember they cleave.
Call for Tom.
Everyone sacrifice up, tanks
On.
called for it if you need it.
You got
Judge him.
keep staggering him back a little bit.
Call for Fox
Okay,
whenever you want.
Tonic.
I'm gonna trank on the next one.
Put a sacrifice on Elder.
Aldi, when he calls out his trank, I want you to amp.
Trank,
Okay.
trank.
Fox now.
Amp.
Taunted.
Healthstone.
I have an Ascendance up, I'll do it next last.
Tanks, if you need a Vig, I have it.
Ascendance.
Keep spread down.
I have him afterwards.
No, okay, yep, you got it.
Stay calm.
Tonic.
We have
Healthstone if you get low.
Watch these ruptures, guys. Don't move too fast.
Fatal, he's external.
Can you powered barrier drive?
You have it, Fatal.
On the tanks.
Good. Taunted.
Good fucking job. G.
Fuck yeah.
Fucking way.